How easy is to make profit, don't you think? Yesterday I told you to go short on gold at 1740 and on silver at 1905. Look at the levels achieved, all the targets done. I hope you all profited. Now what is going to happen today? We will see again with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. If you are missing on to subscribe, definitely you are missing on the profits. Do not commit this mistake. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. First we'll look into gold followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Now this is the hourly chart for gold, and now it is trying to take a support at 1734 levels. So yes, you can go short at 1734 till the time it trades above 34. It is trying to trade upwards, but should only be considered a retracement till the time it trades below 1750 levels. So for going short, you should only go short once you see it trading below 1733. Below that you can go short, but then expect 1727, 24 levels to provide a support, and below that 1718 to provide a support. So these are going to be the levels. Go short at 1733 till the time it trades above 1733. You can expect, so now with the support at 1734, 35, it is trying to ride. Where is the next resistance? First at around 42 and then at around 45. This zone till 45 is important. If it breaks past 45, you can expect a rise there. Now this is on the hourly charts. Also look at the indicators. Bearish, stochastic upwards, MACD bullish, RSI upwards. So most of the indicators on the hourly charts turning bullish. Now look at the 2-hour charts. This is the second green candle. It is taking the support at around 1733, 435 and now trying to rise. The next resistance zone, as I told, in between 1742 to 45. This is going to be strong resistance, and if it breaks past, we can see it hitting 1750 levels again. Now I'll be looking forward for it. If it continues to rise, first of all 1745 should be very strong, and from there we'll watch how it behaves. At the same time, once it breaks past 1750 and 1755, this level you have to mark out for. Breaking 1750 and 1755 zone, it will turn strongly bullish out there. Till the time it trades below 1755, you can expect that it may try to reverse again. Directional movement is bearish and it is trying to converge a bit. Stochastic near to overbought levels. MACD on the 2-hour chart has just crossed over. It is divergent and it is bullish. RSI is looking upwards too. Likewise, if you see on the 3-hour charts, now look at the 3-hour. On the 3-hour charts, it is giving you a bullish rise. How far it can go? See, it is trying to trade in this channel 1742 levels, and then see this zone here till, as I said, first 1742.45 and then 48.50. These levels are definitely going to be important, and then 1755. If these three zones are cleared, gold is definitely bullish. Directional movement is bearish and it is willing to converge. Stochastic looking upwards. MACD on the 3-hour charts is on the verge of a crossover. It is rather crossed over here and it is trying to trade bullish from here. We can see multiple candles which might go green from now. RSI was oversold, trying to bounce back from here. Likewise on the 4-hour charts, one green candle and a reversal candle and couple of red candles retracement trying to rise from here, taking the support at 1733. So for the day, I will say till the time it trades above 1733, you can stay long. How far it can go? Now look at this channel closely. See, it is still trading within this channel or this zone. The resistance there at 1750 definitely strong. I will be rather watchful. First resistance at 1742 and then 1745. Once it trades beyond 1745, we can expect till 1748 and 50. It has got good resistance out there. If it breaks past 1750, you can expect certain bullishness. Beyond 1755, we may turn little more bullish out there, and beyond that it will fly high. Directional movement is bearish. It is willing to converge. Stochastic looking upwards. MACD is on the verge of a crossover. RSI was oversold, now trying to bounce back. Likewise, look at the daily charts. On the daily chart, see, previous candle was it has achieved the high, and this time also look at it here. It has formed a tail and are now trying to create a body. I will be cautious till 1745 levels, and once it breaks past 1745, the next target is 1750. Beyond 1750 only we can expect it to fly. Till the time it trades below 1745 and 1747 zone, it can again reverse and retrace on the downside. See, after this step, it has created first red candle. Also it is left with a tail out there, and hence if you see it dropping below 1733, go short and then expect another red candle out there. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is oversold on the daily charts, hence may see a bounce back. The MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI is again entering into bottom. So with the stop loss, it rather, if you are at right now, it is trading at 1739. If you want to go long, yes, you can go long with the stop loss at 1735. Expect it to rise for first target 1742, next 1745, and then 48 to 50 zone. If it breaks past 48-50 zone, definitely strong bullishness can be expected. Then 1755 will be the next target, and beyond that it will fly. So be cautious, be alert. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Put the 1735 as a stop loss, continue to keep long, but remember 1742 is a very strong resistance, and then 1745, and then 1748-50 zone. On the downside, till the time, remember it, till the time it trades below 1750, it can reverse again, it can retrace again. On the downside, you have to be watchful. Any drop below 1733, go short, and then you can again expect 1727, 1724 and 1780 level. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Likewise, silver to silver, I had asked you to remain short at 1905, and then you can expect 1880, 1870, 1860 levels. See, precisely it has achieved 1870, trying to bounce back. Now it is trying to get the support at 1895. Only short entries at 1895. Remember, 1910 is a very strong resistance, and then 1920. These two levels, definitely you should watch out for 1910 to 1920. Only if it breaks past 1920, you can consider that the bulls may come in there. Directional movement bearish, willing to go for a bullish cross. Stochastic looking upwards. MACD bullish, RSI bullish. On the 2-hour charts, if you look at it, it's created a base trying to rise. It may give you a bullish candle. One can stay long with the stop loss at 1895 and expect it to hit 1910 and 1920 levels. 1920 should be a good resistance, and beyond that we can expect 1930 and 1940 levels. Directional movement bearish, willing to cross. Stochastic near to top. MACD bullish, RSI bullish. On the 3-hour charts, likewise, if you see again, as I said, created a base out there trying to give you equal size of candle. We will look out for 1920 levels. Definitely a stronger resistance zone at 1920, and beyond that 1930 and 1940. Just watch out for 1940, 1950. Till 1950 you have to be extra alert, as this is going to be definitely a stronger resistance. Directional movement bearish, willing to converge. Stochastic overbought. MACD bullish. RSI coming out of the oversold levels, trying to act a little bullish there. Look at the 4-hour charts. Now look at the 4-hour charts. See, after a big fall, now it has taken a base. It is trying to retrace. How far this can retrace? It can come back to 1940, 1950 and in fact 1960 levels. So this zone at 1940, 1950 definitely a very stronger resistance, and this may prove out to be a good resistance. Breaking beyond 1980 only, one can consider it as a reversal. Else, till the time it trades below 1980, one can consider that this is a retracement only. Now look at this. This is a channel in which it is trading. The highs of this also are at around 1950 levels. So the possibility of a reversal can be expected, or rather a retracement can be expected, and we can see it rising a little before it tries to drop. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking upwards. MACD has just crossed over. RSI looking upwards, and on the daily charts, if you look at, now look at the daily charts and look at the previous candle. Higher highs, lower lows. It has seen the lows out there trying to rise. The resistance at 1920, 1930, 1940 and 50, 60 levels. So every 10 points there is a resistance and smaller resistance there on the upside for silver. Only short entry today is below 1895. If you see it trading below 1895, go short again without hesitation, and you can expect it to drop for 1890, 1880 and 1870 levels. Again below 1870 you can expect it to drop till towards 1860 and 1840 levels also. So until the time it trades above 1895, you can expect my target with the stop loss at 1895 is 1910, 1920. See, remember, first strongest resistance is between 1910 and 1920. It can get reversed from here, so you have to trade with a stop loss beyond 1920. In fact, the next target is 1930 and 1940 and then 1950. 1950 is the strongest resistance for silver. If it breaks past this zone, definitely it will call for bulls out there. Then 1980 and plus levels can be seen. Be cautious, be alert. Till 1950 it can be considered only a retracement, and it can reverse again from those levels, and hence if you are long at 1895, you have to trade with a stop loss, you have to trade with a trailing stop loss. Keep closing at every milestone, at every resistance zone. Keep trying to re-enter if you continue to see it in your direction. That is the safest way you can trade. So trade accordingly, trade profitably. With a stop loss at 1895, you can go long. Below 1895, you have to go short for 1890, 1880, 1870 levels, and below that we may see a further drop for 1850 and 1840 levels. Take your trades accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Join my Patreon page, join my mentorship batch, join my VIP signals group. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much.